Viewers, today latest update from Ethiopia and Tigray clashes. Viewers, the Tigrayan army has strengthened the lightning attack by fascist Abiy Ahmed and his allies. Yesterday, the enemy forces that were in Shivarobit and its surroundings have controlled Shivarobit city and its surroundings. In addition, the Tigray Army Command has announced that it is going to control the city of Mulal and its surroundings in northern Shiva. And the Tigray Army Command. In North Shiva center of the field, the Tigray Army and the Prince of the Army Mulalin have been against Abbas. The Tigrayan army has turned the lightning strike that is being attacked by fascist Abiy Ahmed and his colleagues yesterday by destroying the enemy forces in Shivarobit and its surrounding areas. The city of Shivarobit has controlled the city and its surroundings. The Tigrayan army commander said that the Tigrayan army, who is going on the middle of the field in North Shoa, has controlled Mulal and Basha and is heading towards Mezazan and Tamragat with a high spirit of victory. The forces of Tigray and Oromo control the city of Shivarobit, which is 230 km from the capital Addis Ababa. So, according to the latest news, is that Tigray Defense Forces take Mulal. Tigray Army Central Command has told that they have taken full control of town of Shivarobit. They have also taken control of Mulal and the administrative center of the Men's Medar Warida in the Amhara region. On the other hand, the war are also going on in Afar region and they have caused a lot of losses and the fighting is still going on even though the two sides have not made a big progress in the war. The representative of the African Union for the Horn has held a meeting with the leadership of Tigray Defense Force and the below news are saying that it is possible to stop bullets. Many civilians were killed in Valaga region although there were no official numbers, but the government and the Oromia army are accusing each other for the killing. Fights have occurred in Mattakal region of Banishangul. Banishangul region and the government troops have said that they have caught several fighters from Banishangul freedom fighters. On the other hand, the Banishangul freedom fighters are also saying they said that many areas in Mattakal region were taken over while they said that they are the last war in development. The Special Army of Amhara region that is helping the militia of the region said that they attacked Wag Zemra districts, saying that they have captured several towns in Wag Hemra. So viewers, I already informed you that in previous video, two explosions heard in Tigray capital Mekelle. Two loud explosions were heard in the capital of the Tigray region, Mekelle, sparking fear among residents. It is being speculated that the explosions could be the result of Ethiopian M20 SRBM or A200 guided rockets. Mekelle hit by fresh drone strikes. The dying regime in Addis conducted a drone attack in a residential area in Mekelle. Tweeted Tigray spokesperson Getachew Reda. No casualties have been reported so far from the drone strikes by the Ethiopian Air Force. So where this is the latest update about it. For more latest report, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.